సంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా కొత్త పరిశ్రమల స్థాపనతోనే నిరుద్యోగ సమస్య పరిష్కారం అవుతుందని సంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా ఎస్పీ రూపేష్ తెలిపారు. పటాన్చేరు మండలం రుద్రారం పరిధిలోని గీతం ఇంజనీరింగ్ కళాశాలలో సొసైటీ ఫర్ సంగారెడ్డి సెక్యూరిటీ కౌన్సిల్ సమావేశం నిర్వహించారు. ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ కంపెనీల వల్ల వారి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అర్హతను బట్టి ఉద్యోగ అవకాశాలు కల్పించడమే కౌన్సిల్ ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశమని చెప్పారు. ఈ సమయంలో వివిధ కంపెనీల ప్రతినిధులు మరియు పోలీస్ అధికారులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
or any kind of issues that you are facing. So now, as many government officials have explained about the fire safety and chemical handling of chemicals and many other issues. So my presentation basically completely depends on a different perspective. It's not just confined to the fire accidents in the industries or the chemical explosions in the industries. Because I have called many schools also, I have called many other hospitals and some other persons. So basically my motto is this: strengthening Sangareddy's security fabric through partnership and innovation. So with your partnership and this cascading effect of the work. So we want to take the help of all these experts and train your personnel also. So further we have a society also. It was established 3 years back, but because of COVID and many other issues, it was not functioning well. So I just wanted to revive that organization so that we will be in regular touch and we will be interacting with, so that your industries will flourish and our crime rate will come down. At the end of the day, the public will be happy and you will be happy. Let's see what inputs. He is saying that Pavanagareddy garu em cheptunnaru nenu mee company ki vasta antunnaru. So how many companies he can go by doing his regular job? What I want to create is a platform where you will send your representative. Suppose today he wants to give a session on fire safety. So you please send one person who is in charge of that fire safety in your company, so that the best practices of the company like MSN or some other MNC companies are there. They are practicing the best practice in the safety. So they will train your personnel, because small industries will be there, some 10 people, 15 people. They cannot hire the trained professionals. They will hire some informal professionals, and to give training to them, they cannot afford it. So go to the next details. Then theft of valuable materials, identification of vulnerable areas, assets prone to theft, implementation of security measures to safeguard value. Time and again we are getting complaints about the materials being stolen, be it pharmacy, be it engineering. Many valuable materials are being stolen. And sometimes there is no CCTV, sometimes there is no lighting, sometimes there is no patrolling from outside, because we are working at Saturday because of our fraction time. So, and literally out of 100 agencies are they are working with only Saturday people. And these Saturday people have to do traffic, and they have to catch the signals, they have to go here and there, they have to do number security, they have to do VAP security.